What's up, guys? Just got a shipment from Live Aquaria. We have a blue neon bird nest, which is right here. A big frag of a lot of different zoas. And a swirly Aussie hammer. So, drip acclimating them right now. You see my lines going into my tank. And if we go into the garage, I have some rock that's been in here for 2 days. It's the Reef Saver rock. It's man-made. And I'm thinking about adding it to the tank little bit by little. So I'm going to put one piece in maybe tomorrow or so. Or wait, maybe a week. I'm thinking about waiting a week. And slowly adding it to the tank. And just to put more frags around. I also have 2 more frags coming from eBay. So you'll see them later on in the week, but the tank's doing good, and I'll have another update video after this. What's up, guys? Part 2 to the unboxing. The hammer. It's doing good. Temporary spot, but he seems like he likes it, so I might consider keeping him there. The lights are at around 50%. Nothing too crazy. And he's really extended a lot since I put him in the tank. Looks really good. Here's this little dude. Having a good time. Gonna feed him pretty soon. I like to feed him twice a day. Just spot feed him, and he knows when it's time to eat. I moved the Duncans up there onto that rock, so they look like they will like it. Here's that other bird's nest. You can see the green polyps. I really like the way that looks. I'm not gonna add any more rock. I just added that piece, and then that one back there. There's my new Zoa colony. Trying to get to focus there. That rock's covered. Not all of them are open. They are slowly all opening. There's a really cool red one. He's down there. Hopefully that one spreads onto the rock. But other than that, that's about it. I have 2 more corals coming in. The Fabula or something. I don't know how to say it. Probably gonna put one somewhere in this area, and then one, I think, up top. So we'll see, but yeah, that bird's nest really looks cool. The other one's green, but you can't tell because it's covered in purple polyps. This chalice has grown a lot. And everything's doing good.
Still there? Yeah.
So,
Oh.